Caroline here again, and I'm in a very beautiful Aberglasney, I think that's how you say it, gardens today, and I thought I'd come down here because I've been indoors a little while, just kind of healing from, you know, the grief from the fire and the mourning and the shock and the horror and everything. And wow, as I walked in the door, I met the head gardener and he's offered to help, and I'm just, thank you universe for bringing me to this great place. But I wanted to talk a little bit about shock because really truly I had no concept of how awful it is. And you know, the first week I was pretty much like I was drunk. It was really crazy. I can't really remember it. I'm not having any flashbacks to the fire. I don't think I made any sense. I certainly forgot to eat, and you know, like life was really, it was like I was swimming through mud or something. It was really crazy. And then the second week, you know, more tears and just generally quite spacey, and you know, having lots of moments where I wasn't quite sure what I was doing, and it's insane. This is week 3 and I'm starting to get me back a little bit. Like everybody's just been so overwhelmingly kind, complete strangers, friends and family, people I haven't spoken to for a very long time. Everybody just seems to be rallying around, and I'm so grateful. And you know, it has been a devastating shock. It's been horrible, but what's come out of it is this just huge wave of love for me. And I still don't know where to look on this video. Sorry, it's a new iPad somebody sent me, somebody that never met me sent me, which is just insane. And so yeah, I wanted to talk about the effects of shock. It really is something that I had never imagined. I don't think it's like losing a parent or something, or someone you love. You just can't imagine what it's going to be like until it happens, and everybody tells you their version, but until you go through it, you can't possibly know how you're going to react. So, you know, I've had people say, oh, you know, I'd be a quivering wreck. I haven't been that. I think my life has taught me, you know, I've had many obstacles to overcome. That's my phone. But really what I feel with this one is like lots of doors are opening to me, and I'm so super grateful. It was horrendous, and I really wish it hadn't been quite so dramatic or difficult, and still, you know, every day going, oh, what about that? And oh, I forgot that. But, you know, it is only 3 weeks ago, and I'm going to have to give myself time, which I am the least patient person on the planet. But anyway, that's just my personality. So it is getting better. It's freezing cold today, and as you can see from the ground, we got no snow at all, which, but, so everyone out there who's really struggling in the snow, I'm sorry, but I feel a bit miffed about that. But anyway, yeah, just really wanting to say this huge wave of thanks and gratitude and love, and just really restoring faith in humanity. And I was listening to lots of rescue stories about, you know, people acting really kindly in the snow, and you know, I think I've thought for the longest time that human beings are just really horrible, and how can we destroy the planet and do all these things. And actually what I've come to is that in the face of adversity, most people are super kind. Not everyone. I've had a few, you know, people asking me questions and, you know, not being particularly kind, and that's okay. That's about them, not me. I'm not taking that on. But you know, 98.99% of people have just been splendid, and I'm super grateful. And I want to say, you know, if ever anyone is struggling with shock, or genuinely doesn't know how to put the next foot forward, or you know, has had a bereavement or some horrible loss, please do get in touch, because you know, I think I have been given this lesson so that I can get stronger and help others better. So that would be something to take away from this drama and horror that I've been through, is that, you know, I now have another string to my bow, and I would love to spend time helping you. The farm is I'm gonna resume that if the roads permit next week. And I've come to Aberglasney because I wanted to have a look around and just generally, you know, get an idea of what they're doing and what's growing, etc. But bumped into the head gardener, as I said, and he's been super helpful, so that's amazing. Anyway, just wanted to shoot a little video about shock, my reaction to it, and how amazing everybody I know has been. So thank you from the bottom of my heart.